much life I've left to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I can find a will to stand for every dream and forsake the solid ground and give up this fear within of what will happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you. For I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you, I know you